All right, welcome back to another trade recap. This is going to be more of a market recap just because of how good price action was today. Today's April 28, 2026. There was three beautiful A plus setups that you could have taken. I just took the first trade. I was really debating on whether I should take the second one, but I just did not want to take a second trade because it's against my rules. But this trade was so good, I honestly probably will take it if it represents itself again. And kind of mad that I didn't take it, but could have doubled my day. Regardless, coming into the day, I was honestly bearish coming into the day, but obviously that doesn't mean I'm only looking for shorts because you could get a narrative change. And obviously, if you're going to be bearish, you need to take out highs first. And sometimes taking longs to those highs is the right move instead of just waiting for those highs to get taken out and then shorting. But pretty much going into the day, as you can see, we dumped around 400 to 500 points overnight. Let's turn on the sessions. As you can see, after London session, we just completely dumped. I probably should have a longer London session because there's no way that's how big London session is. Regardless, we dumped. I actually got to change that now that I think about it. Regardless, we dumped. And then, so what I want coming into the day, we opened around right here, 8:30. So pretty much, this is what I could see coming into the day. So what did I want to see? I saw we had an unfilled gap here. I wanted us to rebalance and shoot down. Obviously, if you're saying this is hindsight, I'll go into the Discord just for you. Bearish on the day with expanded lower overnight. Looking for a solid manipulation, retrace, and then an entry going lower, targeting the unfilled 4-hour gap, which also has a new day opening gap. Only reason to go higher right now is because we're overextended lower. All we need is a retrace, 828 before market opened. All we need is a retrace. I don't know if we haven't touched the new day opening gap yet, but we did fill in that 4-hour gap. But what do? We came in, we looked for that retrace, and obviously I wanted to catch the move from here to here, but I saw the move beforehand. And what was the move beforehand? Well, we came down and we dumped, and then we dumped into this 5-minute gap. This 5-minute gap, which we look at this rejection. This is how I know that it was a good setup because we had such a rejection higher. We left this big of a wick, and we had a target up here, and I knew this target needed to get hit for us to go lower. We weren't just going to go lower off of this. So if you know that price needs to go higher to go lower, then why would you not take the long first? There's no point. And this was such a nice recovery. We came down. We instantly inversed the manipulation leg that caused that move down. Stops here. TP at the unfilled gap. I entered right here because half of my accounts on TradeTinker were not connected. For what reason, I do not know. It always happens every time I want to take a trade. By the time I connected them, thankfully, price only moved up to here, so I entered somewhere around here. Either way, bought a 1-to-1 RR for 2,800. Only 1,600 of this is real accounts. 1,200 on this is on evals. So that's three. I can't do math right now. That's pretty bad. Three evals, $400 each. That's where the extra 1,200 comes. That was a pretty bad moment of math, but regardless, that was the first trade. Then we came out to this 15-minute gap, and obviously from there, I knew we wanted to dump. What did I see from there? I would have taken the trade, honestly, if we immediately came up here and inverse this 5-minute, but we did not. We chopped around. This was also another trade some people took right here after this 5-minute inverse. I didn't like it because we were still within these wicks, and it wasn't a clean close. However, after that next close, that was a setup that I wanted to take, this close right here. And I called it out in the Discord again. Let me show you, just so you don't think I'm lying. Chat. Shorts are looking amazing right now. 9:25 a.m. What is this? 9:25 right here. Shorts are looking amazing. That would have been my entry. Straight down, obviously targeting this wick that we created on market open would have been a beautiful trade. Why is it a beautiful trade? Because obviously we have that inverse. We have no reason to go higher. And another reason why I liked this so much was because we had OTE of this range. 618 to the T. Shot down. 5-minute inversion. Trend line, low resistance liquidity. I mean, this is beautiful. Obviously, trend line, low resistance, 4-hour gap, new day opening gap. Absolutely beautiful. If you took this, Mish took this trade. If he's watching this, then I better get my coconut water after boxing practice, but there's probably no one watching this video besides him right now. Regardless of the fact, the next trade you could have taken, this was such a beautiful day. Coming in, we dumped. Let me just make sure I'm recording. All right, we're recording. After that dump, we had a re-entry lower. Obviously, we took these wicks, the open wicks. However, we still had these prominent lows, which was the external liquidity. And under this external liquidity, we had that 4-hour gap. And we still had the new day opening gap. So 4-hour gap needed to get filled. So what could you have entered? Well, we came up, we tapped this 5-minute gap right here, tapped into it. After we tapped into that gap, what did we have? Beautiful, absolutely beautiful inversion, targeting that 4-hour unfilled, stops at the wick or at the whatever of the move. Boom. 3 absolutely clean A+ setups that you could have taken today. If you didn't win today, there must be something wrong with you. I'm joking. Could have made a mistake. I probably could have ended up break even easily. So good day, and let's keep on moving forward. Let's get some. If we keep getting this price action, then I can't complain at all.